Good evening, everyone. We're back again. Tonight we're gonna show you how to make fregola, not fragola, fregola. Fregola is a very unusual name, and we call it Sardinian couscous because we have got no other ways of describing it, but it's nothing to do with couscous at all. As you can see, it's a little balls of semolina. And this is the most traditional one, Casa del Grano, that we sell in our shop. It's one of them because we have another brand that is also excellent. One is made with spirulina, the other one is made with black ink. Now today we're gonna make it like a salad, cold, and it's really pretty great thing to have in the fridge because you can always leave it in the fridge for a week. So normally in Sardinia, I make quite a bit. Like this is it's about 300 grams. Okay, I pre-boiled it with the salt, just like you boil pasta for 7-8 minutes like this. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do this because it gets kind of sticky after you strained it from the water. So this is ready. Now I'll show you how quick this is. Simple how to make this. I've already cut some tomatoes and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna cut a few more. Now to cut tomatoes I would suggest you have a very sharp knife because otherwise it's difficult. So these tomatoes, I cut them as small as I can, really. By the way, these tomatoes, you can buy them in our shop. These cherry tomatoes, they're absolutely amazing. And believe it or not, one of the few things I don't bring from Sardinia. These are English tomatoes. Because I look for good ingredients, I don't care where they come from sometimes, but these ones are absolutely spectacular. And they last long as well. They've got very good skin, they're very crunchy and very sweet. Anyway, so this tomatoes have been chopped. As you can see, I chopped some earlier, but I didn't want to be here all evening. And then now what we're gonna do is, I'll do the most tedious one, is peel off this cucumber, clean the cucumber. Obviously my peeler is not great. Well, I haven't used this for a while. Cucumber is very important because being a summer dish, you know, we usually use it as a garnish with a bit of fish or chicken, or it's nice as a side as well as just something to eat as a salad. Or as I said, this is great, it's fresh. Now after I peel the cucumber, the best way to do it is cut it right in the middle. Just get a simple teaspoon and just get rid of the seeds in the middle part. Okay, that's quite easy. I mean, to do this dish is not, doesn't involve cooking except to poach everything is dressed cold. Okay, so that's done. And after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut long strips. And then with this long strip, basically what we want to do, we want to dice the cucumber. Okay. Once it's all together, careful not to chop your fingers. So now we can start mixing some of the ingredients. Got the tomatoes, cucumbers. Okay. Cucumbers. Bear in mind that most of these ingredients you can find them in the shop. This is spring onions. I tend to put a little bit of the green part as well. I like that. Got more bite on it. That's one. Okay, spring onions. Let's go. That. I can just imagine spring onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, fregola, and then what's most important is use the other ingredients, which are capers. It's very important. Well, it's not very important. You can use any normal capers, but I like the small ones. Really tasty. Also from our shop, you can buy them in our shop. Most of the ingredients you can buy in our shop, especially our vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and so on and so on. Tomatoes. I think perhaps the spring onions might not have there, but I'm sure they probably have if you ask, because we cook this dish in our shop as well. We sell it to customers and we sell lots of it. So what else I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon, or maybe the whole lemon. I quite like it very lemony. It's the old-fashioned squeezer that retains all the seeds. Like that. Retain most of the seeds, they're all getting out. Because you don't want to get the seeds inside. Okay. That's done. Very easy to get to the end. Black pepper. I quite like a bit of quite a lot of black pepper. Salt. I'm getting out of the camera actually. Right, so next thing, lots of extra virgin olive oil. Now with this, normally, I think you just use, would I use that word, common sense? The same with vinegar. Now with vinegar and olive oil, by the way, when you have it in the fridge, put quite a substantial amount of vinegar. Don't exaggerate, but then you taste. So what you do is, if you have it in the fridge and you don't eat it straight away, you leave it in the fridge, I think the best thing to do is to every day taste it and maybe add a bit of vinegar and a bit of olive oil again, because the vinegar will evaporate, and this is probably the reason why this dish stays in the fridge for a long time. Last final thing, which is the key thing of this dish, gives that freshness and summer taste of it, is the basil. And I have to say, I like to put lots of it in there. Okay. The basil you can get from anywhere. Don't use Israeli basil, because it's got strong taste. It tastes like mint. It's a minty basil. I like that. Okay, see, I julienne this basil. I don't care, just drop it in the middle too. And then put it in. Do you know what? Actually, I put a bit more. The basil makes a big difference on the taste of the dish. Anyway, so this is basically Insalata di Fregola. It's one of our creation that we did in the 90s when we opened Olivo. It's always been with us. A lot of customers asking for me to show them this. And this is a typical dish that you can put in the fridge and eat it every day whenever you like. Take it to the beach, take it to the garden. Easy to keep, to refrigerate, and to serve. This tastes very, very good. Of course, it's very important to use this vinegar that you buy in our shop, because this vinegar is a sweet balsamic, very unusual vinegar. It's got a bit of sweetness to it, this white. So, this, as you can see, is called Insalata di Fregola. It's a fregola salad. And fregola is not a couscous, but in our menu we always write couscous to give people an idea. A little tiny ball. It's a bit like fat couscous actually. And this is a typical Sardinian ingredient that we interpreted in a different way. And with that, I hope to see you next time with another simple recipe. Bye bye.